Right, morning, morning, morning. All right, Paul?
Yeah, good man.
Anything about?
Yeah, I tried stripping, nothing stripping. I've just gone on to that twin knife gold you showed me.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, but I've gone day 3 because this cold water's going to push them right down, isn't it? I think Peter's had one.
I saw it, Peter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me squeeze past out of your way. Good. Right. Morning, everybody. Martin Williams, and we here at Manningford. Pete's had one, yeah? Good. Was that on the intermediate?
On the intermediate. Slow.
Slow?
Yeah.
Something blackish, black and goldish? Oh, that's that.
Yeah.
That was that one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The Diva one, was it? Was that the Diva one we rigged up?
I think it was, yeah.
The one like found in the tree or got back out of the tree?
A little warmer than last time we were.
All right,
A
Clive.
little bit warmer.
All right, Clive. And who else we got here? Jeffrey. Morning, Jeff. You all right, fella? Yeah. This is good. Right. Gosh. So we're here at Manningford, and it's still all a bit new for us, Manningford. You really. So the second time ever, and it's bloody cold. A bit of east in the wind, nice bit of ripple. So starting off my normal 9.5 on a 7, but I got a fast intermediate, and I got a little 50mm tiny black snake. Let's get a bit of line out. Whew. But it is chilly. Right, good. Right. Whew. So fast intermediate is the 40 plus. And I've got a little black snake on. When we were here last time, it was nice. It was a quiet start. There was nothing moving. Managed to get a couple of rainbows in on the indicator. And then after around lunchtime, changed to a little green bug next to nothing on the indicator, threw it against the island, and that done the trick then. So we'll try a slow retrieve to start. Still a bit new for us, Manningford, as in don't know really where the fish are, or especially if it's a little bit coloured and there's nothing moving. You're still fishing a bit blind. There was a chap here last time and he was fishing little skinny black snake, and he was doing all right first thing. I think he'd had a couple of browns. It's a nice cast close to the island. Whoop. Oh, that feels a good one. Whoa, only thing is it's wrapped around my hand. Oh dear. Oh no, it's wrapped around the rod tip. Oh god. I don't even know if it's still on, is it? Or is it gone? Is it still on? It's still on, and I think it's a brown as well, I think. Wrap round my arm, wrap round the rod tip, heading towards Jeffrey. Oops, sorry Jeff, he's heading your way, mate. Whoa. So I said about casting up against the island for the browns, and that was up against the island, and I think it's a brown. Whoa. Sorry Jeff, I'll bring him underneath now, mate. Wow, he's having a go. Bloody hell. The drag's a little bit slack. Right. Brown. Let's have a look here. And he's in the net. Wow. Look at that, guys. A Manningford brown up against the island on a little 50mm skinny black snake. Brilliant, let's get him dispatched. Right, well, I'm well happy with that start of the day. Oh, it's come out and all. Oh yeah, can't see that, but a skinny little black snake. 50mm, measure the tails at 50mm, and we've got a cracking Manningford brown trout. Get him on the string. Bloody fingertips are bloody freezing. Excellent. Well, we don't get better than that really for a start, do we? A nice chunky Manningford brown. Where's that fly? Show you that fly now when it's a bit wet. Nothing, no bead, no nothing on it whatsoever. Measure the tail, 50mm. Skinny bit of black zonka strip up against the island. Perfect, perfect. Right, let's crack on. Get some line back out, isn't it? You don't get better than that, do it, to start. What's that, chunky 5-6 pounder perhaps? Oh, that's cold on my fingertips, guys. Right, guys, well, I've had the one brown. I've had two other pulls, browns again, I think, on that little black snake. But you know what, guys, it's bloody freezing, so I'm going to go wrap my hands, I think, round a cup of tea in the lodge. So, oh, there we are. And who's in the lodge but Bob? He's snuck in as well. All right, mate?
45 minutes as a record.
Oh.
Already.
Gosh. Gosh. Right, let's get a cup of tea on the go or something. Right, I'm just walking back from a cup of coffee, and I think Paul has had a brown, rumour has it. You get one, mate? Oh, that's a chunky one, isn't it?
I borrowed it one time. I said, I won't mind. I was going to go back to the car to get mine.
Oh God, mate, that's a chunk, isn't it?
Brown, yeah.
Good God, what's that? 8? 9? It's chunky, mate. It's...
Yeah, you could see. You see, I'm not good with fish sizes.
And I took that skinny little black snake.
It's a big fish, isn't
But
it?
mate, that is.
Yeah.
Mate, that might be £9. Yeah.
Good brown. I'll chuck this back out and you can have it back out.
See, that feels much better when you like pinched a bit of one, really, haven't it? Oh, fish out there, Jeff, moving under that tree, look. Come on. Here we are. Brilliant. Well done, mate.
You can have it back down there.
Well stolen, that
Use the
man.
line out or pull it in.
Leave it there, mate, if you like. Right. Oh, just move round. Oh, the fish moved in front of us then. Just move round the other way. I had a cup of tea. I did miss another one on the other side. Another bump. But I've moved round the other side of the island now. So I can feel already that wind's going to be an issue because it's blowing into my right. So that means, which I haven't done, is put my glasses on. No, because it's going to be blowing it towards my face. Should have put them on earlier, really, guys, but. Ooh. Bloody hell, it's 3 coats colder over here. It's bloody much colder over this side. Bloody hell, it's lovely round the other side. Water level's definitely up nice now, because the last time we was here the water level was you could see it on the far bank. It was a good foot or so down. But with this bit of a breeze, there's no way I don't think we'll be chucking to the island from this side today. That's for sure. Unless it calms down a bit, which would be nice. A rainbow, I think. So much appreciated. The rainbow grabbed it. Didn't expect that then, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah. Nice little rainbow on that micro black snake. Well done. Let's get him dispatched. Right, nice chunky. Well, look at that, guys. Right, my skinny black snake gone. Look, a little gold-head nymph in there as well. Bloody hell. Yeah, little gold-head nymph as well. He was hungry for it. Crazy that. Right. Get him on there. Oh, it's cold, guys, cold. Can't feel my hands, they don't work when it's bloody cold. Oh, you feck. Try that one, is it? That's better. There we are, he's on the stringer now. A little chunky rainbow. Excellent. A chunky rainbow from the other side of the island. And it had another fly in it. It's crazy, isn't it? Huh? Crazy. Right. Nice little bonus rainbow. Cool. Wonder when that fish was lost and, you know, snapped. Yesterday, perhaps? Getting better as it calms down a bit. Yeah, just had a little rainbow. It had another fly in its mouth as well. Yeah, little 50mm like that, tiny. That's it. Yeah, perfect that size. Yeah. Woo. I tell you what, it's twice as cold this side, mate. Bloody yeah, cold, yeah. Oh no, I'm in the tree. Oh no. Have I lost my stuff in the tree? No, we're lucky. We're wandering again. We're wandering again. cold there, and that wind was right on my, blowing into my right side, so oh, the water seems a little bit clearer here, mate. I don't know. Let's go past.
Yeah, big crowd chased me and you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right, let's get past Paul and have a little dabble.
This is always good. In the summer, this is really good for the crowd.
Is it? The only thing is, it's not much of a back cast here, is it really? Let's have a look here. I don't know if we've got a back cast here at all. Let's have a look what we can see by here. It's a good peg. Chuck that down and pop this out of the way. Right. Might get a bit of a back cast in here. I got my hood on, I can't see a lot, but it's so bloody cold. That's alright. Right. Ooh, right. I'm right behind the island here, so it's calmer now. No wind in my face either. Oh, I suppose the wind would be in my face, but I got shelter from the island, haven't I? See it blowing hard either side. This one then, I think I'll let it go down a bit deeper because I haven't snagged, so trying to get it through a bit so shallow there, not so flighty, you know. Just let it go down a bit deeper perhaps. Right, try a bit deeper then. God, it's fucking cold though. Blowing down my neck and all out. Whoop, whoop. Could have been a possible couple of twitches then, pulls then. Unless I've picked up a bit of reed. No, fly's good. So perhaps going a little bit deeper then made the difference perhaps. Let it go down again. Is that a pull there? I don't know. Hup. Yeah. Rainbow. There were little bites I was getting off the rainbow, so that's alright, isn't it? Lovely. Well, that's good. That's good. I'm stood on my line everywhere and go. There we are then, guys. Another rainbow. Number 3 of the day. Let's get him dispatched on the same flight, that little micro black snake. Right, there we are, guys. Number 3. He's a chunky little rainbows on that again. Little black snake, and look, there's nothing on that black snake. There is no bead, there's no chain eye, just a 50mm skin and a 10 short back hook. Working well. And snakes are a pain to tie, guys, because to tie a fancy snake they take a lot longer, but tying one like that, it's not so bad, you know. Bloody hell, man, how's that tangle now? How the flying fish cake is that tied now? I got him. So I wasn't sure whether they were takes, because I was perhaps expecting bigger takes off the browns, but they were little takes off rainbows, so that's good, that's good. Right, let's crack on. I'd seen the old fish move out there, didn't I? So good. I could hear that shit and gravel going through the rod rings off all that bloody muck. Whew. Looks good for the indicator out there because it's in the back of the island. It's nice and calm. Oh, don't know whether I had a little pluck up and again. Up and again. I would say that was 2 or 3 plucks then on the way in then. That's good, that is good. Oh yeah, bobs into a fish. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that a good one, Bob? Da, 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 da. I better keep filming Bob. He'll only sulk otherwise. Could have a good one on. He might have a good one. It won't be a double, it'll be £9.5 because he's known as £9.5 Bob. That was the old gold tail Bob, was it? I seen it when he was up by here. It was about 17 or 18 pound Bob. And a brown. There we are. Bob putting a lot of pressure in and he's gone. It looked a good one, mate. It looked a good one the way he was fighting. Right, just had a bit of a change, guys, to a black and gold. Give that a go. Give that a go. You got far to go back now, buddy?
What's that?
You got far to go back now? How much?
Cumbran.
Oh, Cumbran, that's right. Yeah, we're not far then. Ooh. Ooh. That was me gassing, wasn't it? That was me gassing. Oh, you're not far from me. Literally, as the crow flies through the Henkless lanes, because I'm only Rogerstone.
Mate, Cumbran, I'm up in Blenavon, I am.
All right, yeah.
Further up in the valley.
Yeah, nice, nice. I'm not sure if I sent flies to Cumbran recently.
Correct, bro. They go all over the fucking place.
Yeah. Oh, I do, yeah. Yeah, oh, good. Oh, there we are. I changed to black and gold and missed one first bloody chat then, isn't it? There we are. I had one on a black and gold. Remember that one I give you for Testwood? Yeah. That. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Ba-da-da-da-lee. Pulled it really quick then. Really quick hours, yeah.
Yeah, I could only let him run.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Same anything off. Hey ho, there it goes. Yeah.
Let's get him dispatched. There we are guys. Fish number 4. On the number 4 on the black and gold. Twin eye. But that was the first cast and I really pulled this quick, so we'll see if that works again anyway. See if that works again. Right, I've got a couple of stringers going here today. One with a brown on and another 2 rainbows. There we are. So We're doing okay. Doing okay. I've lost a few, mate, on earlier this morning on the snake, you know.
Yeah, no, I didn't have any success with that. So.
Really lost a few this morning. Dumped them, you know. Yeah, yeah.
In that sort of area in there.
Yeah. Right. Let's.
Very annoyed with that one earlier on.
That was a good one, mate. You lost. Yeah, you couldn't do anything with that, mate.
It was just running. It was,
Yeah.
I could have forced it. It's taken the lead.
I don't know what's the time now. Clive's brown there. I think you weighed it 10.5, Clive, was it?
10.5.
It's a cracker, look at it. Proper chunk. Well done, mate. Right, time for a get the nose bag on, is it? Come on. Just gonna have a bit of grub. Are you off, buddy, or are you having a bit of grub?
No, we were
You got away, buddy, is it? Alright, mate. Yeah, you mate.
Horrible wife, like, needs to get me in by fucking 3.
Okay, you had a good day, buddy, yeah? Nice.
It's all rainbows, but yeah, not too bad, you know.
They were all
On that corner.
hugged up there, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a bit of a drop off, I reckon, at the end of that bank there with that.
It must be.
Steep, because I was on it was like 5-6 foot there, right off a bank.
That's quite deep, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what was you on, an egg or a buzzer or a worm? Yeah.
But every day we've been struggling. Go on there, and the bag at half hour.
Yeah.
It was on it, really, it was the other day.
Right, have a good trip back, guys, anyway, alright? Right, let's go now. Well, I've had a great day so far, guys. I've had 4 fish. And now we're going to have a Scooby snack in the lodge, and I expect the camera will steam up, I expect. Oh, alright, chaps.
Alright, mate, you?
Yeah, good.
Did I see you in the one there?
Morning, everybody. Okay, hope you're all well. Yeah, I'm just finishing off the hello Peps, just finishing off the Manningford video. Yeah, because it was a bitter cold day, and the batteries were, wow, they were dying so quick. You know, I had one in the camera which, you know, lasted, it seemed like an hour or so. Great, or perhaps a bit longer, hour and a half, but the spares I was carrying around with me, you know, in my pocket in that cold. I think the cold just, wow, the batteries, I was getting about half an hour life out of them. So yeah, so I run out of batteries on the day. I used 3 batteries anyway, but yeah, so just finishing off, just signing off. That Manningford day was great. I fished Manningford twice now, and conditions been exactly the same twice. Bloody horrible. Cold, muddy, wet, blowy. So I want to go back to Manningford now in the next couple of weeks when it's like southerly warm winds and what have you. But yeah, it was a good day. We had a crew of about 8, and there was probably a dozen regulars there as well, some from Cumbran, some from Blenavon. So yeah, met up with a few fairly local guys to us. So yeah, good day. Everybody done okay. The wind was cold, it was easterly, it was biting. I think more of us were back and forth the lodge having a cup of coffee, keeping warm by the log burner. Yeah, but there was I had that lovely brown, you know, to start the day, about £5 I expect, and there was some big browns. Let me think. Paul had one £9.5, and Clive, his dad, had one £10.5. Rob, he lost a big fish, I call it sort of peg 1 area outside the lodge and what have you, and there was plenty of rainbows being caught around. So yeah, good day at Manningford, guys. So I'm going to slurp my cup of coffee on Sunday morning. It's about 9:15. I'm going to watch the big cricket game on today, India and Pakistan, and crack on with these long cast patterns, guys. Okay, so now this is officially Martin Williams signing off.